Hello friends, welcome to the Postman tutorial. So in this tutorial I am going to discuss about collection runner. So collect what the meaning of collection runner. So let me open this request, get user details. So if I want to execute, then how I'll execute? I need to click on send button, open this request and click on the send button and it will execute. So we can see here 7 pass 2 test case fail. So likewise if I want to execute one more thing like create user, again I need to click on send. Alright. There is some release in my company and if they're asking please check all the API, are those working or not. So do I need to click on each and every request? No, that is not the way. Even it will take lots of time and there would be a chances I can miss any API during the selecting one by one. So there is a very good thing in the Postman that is called collection runner. Using my collection runner we can run all these requests one by one. I mean the in sequence order. So first this will run, then this, then this, then this. So how can we achieve? So to achieve this, so here you can see this is one parent folder, that is a collection. So inside collection I created two subfolder. So just go to the parent folder, let is called user detail, and you can see the star. So beside star you can see the three dots. Just click on three dots. When you click on three dots, then in this drop down, so if you're using old Postman version, then the view would be different. If you're using your latest Postman version, then this is the view. So here after clicking on these three dots, just click on run collection. When you click on run collection, automatically all, so here you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So 11 all requests came here. You can see last one is open weather invalid API, open weather invalid API, right? You can see here, and by default all are selected. So so what will happen? So here you can see how many time I am going to execute. So iteration I just keep on one, only one time I want to execute. Do you want to save response as well? So if you click on save, then response will be saved, and keep variable value. So it will, the variable value it will keep right here. Run collection without using store cookies, save cookies after collection run. So by default those are checked, okay, and some are unchecked. So I'm not going to change anything here. Iteration I'm keeping only one, and this is the environment variable. So which environment you are using? So I have used the variable from the dev environment, so that's why I'm selecting the dev. If I select right, like no environment, if I click here no environment, then my test case will fail because it won't get the actual value what it is looking for. All right, so in div you can see the value, all values are set there. All right, so let me click on run user detail. Let's see the magic. So it's running. You can see this number. This was 17, 19, all right, 21, 24, 28, and 28 test case pass and 2 test case fail. So here you can see here. So these are the API like get user detail. So in get user details, I was having like multiple assertions in test case. So you can see here this pass what fail. So 2 test case fail. So one, this one, and here you can see one more fail like asserting null, and no, it should not fail something. So those are the expected failure, and other assertion got passed in one API called this user details, and this is the next. Along with we can see as 200, okay, that is a status code, and 36 millisecond, this is a time, how much this API has taken the time to complete. And here we are seeing the size. So this is a size 1.213 KB. We can also see the more information. So if you click any request, so example if I'm click on this create user, so if you click on this, you can see here this other information like URL, what URL it was using, this endpoint and base URL, and what are the headers. Okay, this is a request header, all right, and request body. So we can see here more information as well. Okay, this is not like we can see only one information. So if you click any request, right, just you can see this URL, header, response something, and response body. Okay, so we are not capturing response body, that's why it is not showing here. Okay, so here we can see 28 test case pass and 2 fail. So if I update anything in my environment, okay, so let me update. So in Bangalore, just let me click on V. This variable I'm using in weather API. Here you can see here we are this open weather and we are having some negative test case. So if I execute now, if I click on run again, so let's see what happens. So this time we will see, right, the failure test case would increase. So last time it was 2 test case. Now this time we will see the more test case because the variable values has been updated to B. So the that is a wrong city name. All right. So here we can see 30 test case pass and 3 fail. So if you see here, open weather, this API is getting fail now. And here city name should be match because it is not matching. So if I click here and request URL, you can see here this is going wrong. Instead of Bangalore, I am sending B. That's why this API is failing. So request header and request body. So this information we can see here. So let me correct it. Let me make it Bangalore. Bangaluru. Bangalore. So let me click on again, run again. So it is passing, right. You can see here 28 test case pass and 2 fail. And here you can see here those are the expected failure here. All right. So one more thing, right, in collection, if you are going to run, right, so run collection. So if I click on run collection, so I can select and deselect some requests. So I don't want to run my negative test case. So here those are negative. Here you can see here. So 1 2 3 4. So from invalid user, I want to execute only positive test scenarios. So we can select only positive and just we can click on run. So this time only positive scenarios are running. So here we can see 21 test case pass and 2 test case fail. All right. So failure are expected. So in this tutorial we have learned, right, how we can execute positive and negative scenarios using my collection runner. All right. So that's what I want to cover. So thanks for the watching. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me into the comment section. Thank you. So please hit on the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.